Hi friends, myself Premonan Pillai. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will show you how to add a role, that is adding a role of domain controller in Server 2016. I had installed a server, that is Server 2016, and now I will show you how to make a domain control out of Windows Server 2016. Okay, you must go to Server Manager. You can see here. Then there are 2-3 options. You can do that from here and also from here. Okay, you can see here add roles and features. You can use whichever you want. Okay, now you can see here, you can skip this page if you don't want to see it at any time. You install you add a role or features. Now you can see here, you must select role based feature based installation. If you are using this for a remote desktop service, then you must use this. The first thing is you must put an IP, static IP. Actually it is a dynamic IP, so I'm just cancelling this one and I'm opening the network and sharing, and I will change the IP to a static IP. Otherwise it will show some sort of error. You can see here, you must put a static IP 192.168.0.2. Actually it is a private IP, you can use this. Okay, 192.168.0.1. it's my gateway, default gateway. I configured this on my router. Okay, and it will take by defaultly the DNS server, that is loopback 127.0.0.1, and I am not putting that here now. Okay, I just put an IP here, and again I am going to add roles and features. Next, the IP address is not taken, that means I must close this one, and again I must try opening Server Manager. Okay, collecting inventory data. You can see here it is collecting some sort of data from the background. You can see here. Now selecting this, now you can see here the IP of my PC, that is my static IP. You can see here the server roles, and I would like to add Active Directory domain services. I'm just clicking Active Directory and I am giving the permission to add the features needed for that, and I am also using the DNS server. You can see here, and clicking next, and everything is fine. If you want to add net framework, you can add that also. Next, 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 and I am giving my concerning for restarting the PC after installing the feature. Now you can see here it's starting the installation, and it will take a sort of time, and after installation we must promote the ADDS server, otherwise it will not work. It is only adding the roles of an ADDS server. After installing the roles, you must also promote the server to an ADDS. At that time you must put some passwords. Now you can see here the installation of that role is completed successfully. Now you must close this one and you must see there is a caption sign here. Click on that and you can see here promote this server to a domain controller. Click on that also. Now you can see here deployment configuration, add a domain controller to an existing domain controller. That is, if you have a domain controller already on your network premises, then you can add that name here and it will search that. Actually I don't have one, I'm adding a new one, that is prem.cap.org. Now you can see here I'm clicking next. You can see here directory service restore mode password. This one is the main password and you must write this down somewhere so that you don't have any problem after uninstallation of the domain controller, or after installing you must want to modify some sort of things in the domain controller, then you must need this password. And this one is really I'm putting that password again. Now I will click next. You can see here there is a caption sign, but there is no issue. You can click next and it will search for the NetBIOS domain name. You don't need to change anything. If you want to change that net domain name, you can change that also, there is no issue. It's Prem, it's fine. Click next. Now everything is fine. It will check a prerequisites, searching. I'm clicking next. You can see here prerequisites need to be validated before Active Directory domain service is installed on this computer. It will take a while and it will show you some information. Is everything okay or not okay? If there is any cross marking in red, then the installation process must be checked one more. If there is no such reports, only yellow and green are there, then everything is fine. You can see here it is fine. I'm just clicking install. It will take a while. Now you can see here it is taking a while to install the full configuration. I have given the permission, so it is showing that you are about to sign out. Okay, the DNS configuration is almost complete and it need a restart to complete the process. It will restart in a while. After that we will check the ADDS services is installed or not. Now I am putting the password. Now you can see here frame is here. That means our installation is successful. Now you can see here the server manager starting automatically. It will show the full process. After succeeding the installation procedure, it will show. If ADDS and DNS roles are added, then it will show here. You can see here ADDS and DNS. That means our installation is completed successfully. Let me check it is fine or not. You can see here now you can see here Active Directory users and computers. A domain is created successfully, and if you want to add an user, you can add here. Actually, I would like to add a new organization here. Let me name that as PM. Okay, this is my new organization group. Now I add a new user here. That is Prem, and I would like to log on this group as Prem, and I am putting my password here. You must uncheck this one, and you must click on this. Password never expire for the first time. After that you can do this one. Now you can see here I created a user, and after connecting to this domain server you can log in by these credentials, and in my next video I will show you how to find the errors and how to rectify that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Thank you.